Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topics. Today, we are looking at this question, and what we are going to do today is to solve an alternative quadratic formula, which we are going to use to solve quadratic equation. And this has not been taught in our school. So, we are going to prove that x equals to 2c all over minus x plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac from our quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, and this is an alternative quadratic formula which we are going to use to solve quadratic equation. So we have solution, divide our board into 2. So we are given from the quadratic equation where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. What we are going to do next is for us to rearrange. Rearranging, we have c plus bx plus ax squared equals to 0. So here we are going to divide all through by cx squared. So we say divide all through by cx squared. So here we have c all over cx squared plus bx all over cx squared plus ax squared all over cx squared equals to 0. So in this case, c will cancel here 1, c will cancel here 1, x will cancel here 1, x will cancel here, remain x. So x squared will cancel here 1, x squared will cancel here 1. So we are now left with 1 all over x squared plus b all over cx, because here x remain, plus a all over c equals to 0. So we are going to transfer this to this other side. We have 1 all over x squared plus b all over cx equals to minus a all over c. So we can rearrange this. We have 1 all over x squared plus b plus 1 all over x times b all over c equals to minus a all over c. You can see that we have 1 all over x squared here and 1 all over x. So let's move to this other side. We have 1 all over x squared plus 1 all over x times b all over c equals to minus a all over c. This is 1 all over x squared and this is 1 all over x, which is the variable of this quadratic equation. And here, what we are going to do now is for us to use a method of completing of square for us to find the solution of this quadratic equation. So we are going to add half the square of the coefficient of 1 all over x to both sides. So this is the coefficient of 1 all over x. So we are going to add half the square of this to both sides. So this will become 1 all over x squared plus half times the coefficient, which is b all over c squared, plus 1 all over x times b all over c equals to minus a all over c plus half times b all over c squared. Okay, let's transfer to this other side for clearer view. So we need to transfer to this other side. So here is 1 all over x squared plus 1 all over 2 times b all over c all squared plus 1 all over x times b all over c equals to minus a all over c. So here, since we are adding half the coefficient of half the square of coefficient of 1 all over x to both sides, so will become plus half times b all over c squared. So that is what we add. We add here and we add here. So we can multiply that. We have 1 all over x squared plus, when we multiply this, we have b squared all over 2c all squared plus 1 all over, this will become b all over cx, or we can rewrite it this way. This will become, we still have b all over c times 1 all over x equals to minus we rearrange this. So we have, this will become b squared all over c all squared minus a all over c. So we have this. What we are going to do now is to further simplify this. So we have 1 all over x squared plus b all over c all squared plus b all over c times 1 all over x equals to b all over 2c all squared minus ac. How do we do that? When we recall, you say note, when we have a squared all over b squared is the same thing as a all over b raised to the power of 2. So this is what the expression that we use to have this. So this, we can simplify this further. So we have, we recall that when we have x squared plus 2y, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is the same thing as x plus y all squared. So we have this, but from our equation we can rearrange. We have 1 all over x squared plus we have b all over c times 1 all over x plus b all over 2c all squared equals to b all over c all squared minus ac. Why we did that is for us to have the same format. From what we have here is what we have here. That means our x squared here is 1 all over x squared. Then our y here is b all over 2c. So what we are having now will be 1 all over x plus b all over 2c all squared equals to b all over 2c all squared minus a all over c. So this is our new equation now, from comparing what we have here and what we have here. This is what we have now. So we are going to move over to this other side. Let's take it up. So we are going to transfer this one up here. So we have here 1 all over x plus b all over 2c all squared equals to b all over 2c all squared minus a all over c. So this is what we have now. We just transfer here to the upper side so that we have space for us to do more calculation. So now we have this. Let us concentrate more on this other right hand side. So this will become b squared all over 2c all squared minus a all over c. We all know that 2c squared is the same thing as 4c squared. This will become 4c squared. So this will become 1 all over x plus b all over c squared all 2c all raised to the power of 2 equals to b squared, this one, all over 4c squared minus a all over c. So what we are going to do on the right hand side is for us to multiply 4c to the numerator and 4c to the denominator. So that will become b squared all over 4c minus a all over c times 4c times 4c. So this is what it will become. So now that will become b squared all over 4c minus 4ac, because a times 4c gives us minus 4ac all over 4c squared. Okay, here is 4c squared and here is 4c squared, because we have here, we need to bring down this one. So we have here, so this will give us, taking the LCM as 4c squared, this will become b squared minus 4ac all over 4c squared. So that is what we have on the right hand side. So we bring down here, so this will become 1 all over x plus b all over 2c all squared. We just bring down here. For us to further simplify this, we need to introduce square root to both sides. So this will become square root of 1 all over x plus b all over 2c, this is all squared, equals to, we bring down this one, the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4c squared. So this one will be plus or minus. So here, the square root will cancel here and square root will cancel these two. So we are now left with 1 all over x plus b all over 2c equals to, here, before we go into this, let's recall that when we have a squared all over b squared is the same thing as square root of a squared all over square root of b squared. So we are going to substitute this expression to what we have here. So this will become plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4c squared. So now, for more clarification, we need to move to this upper side. So we need to clear this. So we need to clear this for us to have further space to get more solution. So let's transfer this to this other side. We have 1 all over x plus b all over 2c equals to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4c squared. We just transfer here to where we have here for us to have space. So we clean this. So now, for this right hand side, this will become square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4c squared, the same thing as 2c. So that is what we have now. So this will become 1 all over x plus b all over 2c equals to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2c. So here, we will transpose this into this other side. So we will become 1 all over x equals to minus b all over 2c plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2c. So this is our new equation now. So now we have 2c here and we have 2c here. So we can make two of them the LCM. So the LCM will become, so this will become, we take LCM as 2c. So here will become minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So that is what we have now. That means we have 1 all over x equals to, we bring down this, we have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2c. Now we have 1 all over x here. For us to find this x, the value of x, let's recall when we have 1 all over a, the reciprocal of 1 all over a equals to a. It therefore means that we turn this one down and this one will go up. So this will become, for us to find this x, we can simply cross multiply and cross multiply back. But for us to find it directly, we have x equals to 2c all over, because this c will go, 2c will go up and the whole of this one will come down. So we have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is our new equation. We can rewrite it well. We clean this. Let's clean this so that we can rewrite it well. So as we said before, our x, which is equals to 2c all over, this is minus b plus or minus square root of, this is b squared minus 4ac. So this is our alternative quadratic formula that we have, and we've proved from this equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So what we have here is what we have here. So it's the same thing. So we'll be able to prove, and this is our alternative quadratic formula we are going to use to solve quadratic equation going forward. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.